Namaste. Most respectfully, I tender this representation or application to the Honorable Home Minister of India through this YouTube video praying that India be renamed as Bharat and Bharatvarsh. To begin with my representation oblique application oblique prayer, I stand before you, before your honor, with folded hands to say Namaste to all. I hereby provide the identification details required from me as per protocol. My name is Lieutenant Colonel Rajveer Singh Baswan, PhD. Age 77 years. I am a citizen of India, resident of M386 Oshiwara, Tarapur Towers, Andheri West, Mumbai. My mobile number +91 98 33 246 889. My email Colonel Baswan COLONEL BASWAN @gmail.com. My educational qualifications MA, PhD, LLB, SC, Indian Army. I am alumni of Cambridge University through Rashtriya Military School Ajmer, National Defence Academy, Indian Military Academy, Himalayan Mountaineering Institute, Infantry School, School of Artillery, College of Combat, University of Sagar, CCS University, Mumbai University, and the Bar Council of India. Why should India be renamed? As per ancient Indian culture, it is mandatory to draw the horoscope before the Namkaran Sanskar for human life as well as that of the country. I have drawn the horoscope of independent India, originated on 15 August 1947 at midnight in New Delhi. Names considered for Namkaran of the country: India, Hindustan, Bharat, Bharatvarsh, etc. The result, in accordance with the science of astrology, considering astrology, numerology, and palmistry, and all other branches of astrology, which is called Jyotish in India, that indicated that the name India and Hindustan are very unlucky. These two names should never be used. Unfortunately, we are often using these names for last many years, ever since independence. The name Bharat is found to be very lucky and good. The name Bharatvarsh is also very lucky, and in fact this is the best name. The conclusion from this research is that Bharatvarsh be the official name of our country, and in short, the name Bharat can be used often, which is also a lucky and good name to use. YouTube videos on my channel Dr. Raji Astro, Dr. Dr. RAAJEE, Dr. Raji Astro, contains all the details about why should India be renamed in consideration of the astrology aspects. Now, we know that this is not the first time to try for the change of name of India. In 1948, Constituent Assembly debate on Article 1 of the then draft Constitution of India, there was a strong wave in favor of naming our country as Bharat or Bharatvarsh. Again, in March 2016, a petition was moved before the Supreme Court for change of name of India to Bharat, but the petition was rejected. Yet, another plea for the change of name from India to Bharat and Bharatvarsh was dismissed by the Supreme Court recently in 2020. However, the Apex Court has kindly accepted that the change of name of Bharatvarsh is a fit case to be considered by the Ministry of Home Affairs as a representation. This is now the immediate cause of action to tender this representation, application and prayer before the Honorable Home Minister for changing the name of India to Bharat and Bharatvarsh. The word India being replaced by Bharat and Bharatvarsh would justify the sacrifices and hard battles fought for freedom of our country by our ancestors. The change of name will ensure that the citizens of this country get over the colonial past under British rule. This will instill a sense of pride in our own nationality, especially for the future generations. Now, the time has come to recognize our country by its original and authentic name, that is Bharat and Bharatvarsh. It is especially so when our cities have been renamed to identify with the Bharatiya culture and our ancient ethics. The name India is symbolic of English rulers, a symbol of slavery, and a relic of British Raj. It is high time to remove this name and return to our original name, that is Bharatvarsh, and in short, Bharat. In the end, my prayer before the Honorable Home Minister, India be renamed as Bharat and Bharatvarsh. Thanking you. Namaste.